Good morning, students. So today I am going to start a new poem, that is When Do Hippos Play. So everyone open page number 72. So in this poem, the poet Daniel Defoe has explained about the routines of the hippos, rhinos and elephant. Hippos means hippopotamus, rhino means rhinoceros, and this elephant. So here he has explained the routine of the hippos and the rhino elephant. So this is a story in the African river Nile. The animals are living there. So this rhino and elephant, they play, they will eat, they will enjoy in the daytime, whereas hippos will enjoy the night time. So we will come to know in this poem here. The poet has written many children's stories. In that, the journey of the noble Nabal and the journey of the Marmabil. These are the famous stories, children's stories. So, I'll start the poem. By the African river known as the Nile, the sun fell away and it rested a while. So, African river, that's name is Nile. So there, it's a evening time, the sun has set, the sun has set and it's went to take rest. The rhinos and braved all the smoldering heat, they lay down to sleep as they wiped off their feet. So here, rhinoceros, they were in the hot sun. Now they are going to sleep and they are going to wipe off their feet. So we will tell in Kannada, what will tell Bislak Mai Kaskol. So in that way, they were also almost in the hot sunlight. The elephants marched to their elephant beds and gently they rested their elephant heads. So it's a evening time, the sun has set now. So the elephants, they went to their place to sleep. The hippos went bathing in cool, shallow pools, thinking the rhinos and elephants fools. So now the evening time, the hippos, now they are going to take bath in this river Nile. And what they are thinking? They are thinking that this rhinos and elephants are fools. They think that these animals also should take a bath. Slowly the hippos sank into the river. The water was so cold that it gave them a shiver. So now hippos, they went into the river, they went into the water. Now they are feeling very cold and they are shivering. Shivering means what? Shaking the bodies. Body will shake, no? How will shake? Like this will shake, no? When you also take bath in cold water, isn't it? So in the same way, almost it's the evening time it will be cold. So now they are also, these hippos are shivering. Hippos can't swim like the pelicans think. They also can't float. They could easily sink. So these hippos, they can't swim because of their heavy weight. They can't swim like pelicans. Pelicans means this large bird with long beaks. Like that, they can't swim. and they can't float also. They can't float on the water. They could easily sink. Underwater, they fell to the soft river bed on darkish green plants with a swidden of red. Swidden of red means a very small pot. So, underwater, as the as the hippos can't swim, they sank in the water. You have seen the bed in the river. The plants will be there. So there they went and sat. This is the river. Okay. Here is all the water. So there will be bed in that. There will be bed here. Grass will be there. Green grass. So these rhinos, they came and sat here. Underwater, they fell to the soft river bed on the darkish green plants with a smidden of red. So here in this place, they came and they fall down. This is bed, river bed. All grass is there. You have seen in Geographic Channel and Discovery Channel. You have seen. They stood on the bottom. They bounced up for air. They did it for hours without any care. So they walked. Strode means walked slowly and easily. They walked slowly and easily in this river, and they bounced up for air. Means they played living bubbles of air. Okay, they did it for hours without any care. The fish followed closely and moved in and out under their belly and up their snout. Belly means smooth. This belly means stomach, and the snout means nose. The long mouth and nose of an animal. So, while they are under the water, while these hippos are under the water, the fishes are playing. The fish are going through this their stomach and their nose. Okay. Each of the hippos came out to the shore to feed on the grass by the river once more. What the poet is saying here? Each of the hippos came out to the shore to feed on the grass by the river once more. So they came now after taking bath, after taking enjoying for hours together. They came out of the river. On the bank of the river, they came to eat the grass, because hippos are the herbivorous. They eat grass. Okay, they came on the bank of the river to eat the grass. They dried off their bodies by shaking and stomping, and took bites of grass, chewing and chomping. So on the bank of the river, they came out. Now they are drying their bodies, and they are eating the grass. They are chewing the grass. Chomping means chewing noisily. With night fading fast, they were full from the feast. The sun came back, rising up from the east. So now this hippopotamus, they ate grass full of the stomach. Now the hippo's stomach is full. The sun came back, rising up from the east. Now the sun is rising. Means whole night this hippo played. They ate. Now it's time to rise the sun. Now sun is rising. Means it's about 6:30 in the morning. The hippos crept off to collapse for the day, while rhinos and elephants got up to the play. So now the hippos are very much tired. They played whole night. They ate. Now they are tired and they fell down. Means they went to sleep. They fell on the ground. Collapse means what? Fell down. While rhinos and elephants got up to play. So it's a morning time. Now these rhinos and elephants, they got up as usually how we will get up at the morning. So these rhinos and elephants also got up to play, enjoying the warmth of the sun and its light, never knowing the story of hippos at night. So now rhinos and elephants, they got up and went to play. But this rhinos and elephants did not know the routine of these hippos, because when hippos were playing, that time rhinos and elephants were sleeping at night. So this is a beautiful story about these hippos. I hope you have understood this story, this poem. You have understood, I think. So if any doubt, you can ask me. So here hippos are very strong and weightage, about 1000 kg to 1300, 1000 kg to 1300 kg. They will be, that much weight it will be. And elephants also, they are also heavy only. Hippos, rhinoceros, they are also heavy in weight. So thank you.